How y'all doing today, man? I hope y'all doing good, outside here. Bright Spark Entertainment, Bright Spark TV. This is a follow-up video to the one yesterday with Niah Gang. This is part 2. I know y'all didn't hear what I was saying in the first like 50 seconds because the video was a bit windy. So I thought I'd do a part 2. Niah Gang left the corner a bit too late, part 2. So basically, we as human beings, we find conflict entertaining. It's sad to say, but we find conflict entertaining. A part of show business, majority of action movies is all about conflict, and they sell the most at the box office. So what Niah Gang was doing on his TikTok, what Word Dog was doing on his TikTok, it's show business. Show business, bro. Whether you want to accept it or not, it's show business. A lot of persons are gonna say they shouldn't be on TikTok, sending threats at each other, but something about what they're doing keeps you clicking. Something about what they're doing keeps you coming back for more. Now, personally, I didn't know Niah Gang before the whole situation where he was unalive. I had never heard about Niah Gang. But what I can say is that, that guy, he had huge potential. Watching his videos, I could see the fire. I could see the need to be somebody greater than what he was. And the situation reminds me of Pop Smoke. Pop Smoke, he was on the uprise in the New York area. He was doing big things, about to break out. And they did the same thing that they did to Niah Gang. They did the same thing to Pop Smoke. And the similarity with that as well is that Niah Gang wanted to do music. But I don't want to segue from what I'm saying too much. What I'm saying is that the audience is supposed to be blamed for what happened to Niah Gang as well, because he directly confronted other TikTokers on the platform over and over, and nobody said anything that, hey guys, you should quash the situation, you should be peaceful. They don't find peace entertaining, they find conflict entertaining. So a lot of them are hypocrites to come on here after Niah Gang lost his life and make it look as if, they were never supportive of what he was doing. Calling up other TikTokers' name, alleging that they're in homosexuality and all of that. No, I'm not saying that they had a right to take him out. And we don't know if it is also, if what they did, if it was the TikTokers who were responsible for it. What I'm saying is that the TikTokers don't necessarily have to be responsible for what happened to Niah Gang. It might be some other person, some other enemy figures in his community who knew how his yard was situated. They know where he lived. They know how his yard is situated and where he was seated in his yard at the moment of the attack, because you can see he was seated comfortably doing his live, and the assailants, they pounced upon him in the yard. So Niah Gang was unalived by somebody who knew his surroundings, who knew his residence, that he that he abided, and they took advantage of it and got him out. They took him out early, man, and it's very sad. And a lot of us are angry about the situation, even though I didn't know the guy before he lost his life. I can definitely see that it all of this is stemming from the corner, bro. That is why I tell you, get up the corner. Because as soon as things start happening for you, those same guys that you're on the corner with, they're gonna be your biggest haters. They're gonna be friends turned enemies. And I can place a wager on it that someone close to him from the corner is responsible for what happened to him, man. So, Bright Spark, just get up the corner, guys, and until the next video.